What is going on, everybody? We are back with another build. Still waiting on weather so I can finish up some paint work. But next project is going to be a Axial SCX10 version 2 2000 Jeep Cherokee. Just figured I'd take a quick video to show you everything that's going into it. It's going to be a big project. We're going to start out. Got a couple boxes of parts. Got the Axial universal light bar, as well as their light controller and 8 string white LED lights. Those will probably go on the roof rack. I'm not real sure yet on that. See how it looks. And I have the spare tire carrier for the rear bumper, but I don't know if I'm going to use that yet. We'll see. I don't want the back end of the vehicle to get too heavy. We'll be installing a Tekin heavy-duty 35-turn crawler motor. Never used one of these. Heard a lot of good things about them. High torque. Have an Axial AE5 waterproof speed controller. I have used one of these before. They're pretty good. Slow speed, low end. There are better, but we're going to give it a try in this vehicle. We have a high-tech 5646 waterproof servo. I got some shims just in case I need them for the axles. RC 4-wheel drive ARB diff covers. I know it's probably kind of hard for you to see that through plastic. Machined aluminum diff covers to replace the kind of really strange plastic ones that come in the kit. Some 3mm washers just in case. We have a Axial servo horn, aluminum, clamping type. Adds a lot of strength. To finish off that box, we've got a battery. This is just 2S LiPo, nothing fancy. I would probably step up maybe to something with a little bit higher discharge. This one's only a 20C discharge. I may step it up to something that's around a 30 or 40 discharge. And in the next box, got a set of fast eddy bearings. I'll get into why I got another set of bearings a little bit later. Got a bunch of Vanquish parts here. And the upper transmission shaft, the brass steering, whatever they call them, knuckle bushings, save on a little bit of wear. And we have the motor mount plate, machined aluminum motor mount plate. The reason for the motor mount plate is it stiffens up your motor mount and prevents the plastic, takes some of the flex out of the plastic. And we also have the machined aluminum transfer case, and this does the same thing. The two together gives you a nice stiff motor mount plate that is not going to flex like the plastic one, and combined with the transfer case, you won't get a lot of flex in your transmission from a high torque motor. Let's see, we have aluminum lower link and shock mounts for both axles. Vanquish. And I will be and there are shock towers, machined aluminum. They pretty much identical to the plastic ones that come in the kit, but these will not flex. These will make the shocks do the work instead of the chassis, which my understanding that the SCX10 II chassis is a little bit stiffer than the stock chassis. Let's see, and finish off this box. We have their Vanquish machine knuckles. These are gray anodized, whereas the other is black and silver. And we also have the Vanquish machined aluminum Curry rock jock axles. These will add a little bit of weight. Also, they won't flex like the plastic ones, so all your torque is going to the tires. And these are a very nice axle. These are also anodized gray. We also have the front axle, of course, go with the knuckles. Box 2. And in this box, we have the spool lockers from Vanquish. These are very nice, hardened steel. We have gear sets. These are the standard gears that come with the kit, just a little bit stronger. And I also picked up the red diff covers. And I have their hardened rear axle shafts and the incision universals for the front axle. Now I have a lot of duplicate parts here that replace stuff that come in the kit, and the reason for that is the axles that come in the kit are going to be used on another project. So I have another set of bearings, another set of axle shafts. These are a little bit tougher than what comes in the kit, but the axles that actually come in the kit, the plastic ones, will be used on another project. There are a couple items I'm still waiting for. When they get here, we'll get started building. We may start building before, it may be halfway through the build before I need those. But this is going to be a fun project. It's going to take a little time to bring all this together, get everything working right. And hope everybody will tune in and check it out. It's going to be a fun project. So until next time, later.